Dear all, in this video we will see how to access public SDR. There are so many locations at which SDR dongles available. SDR are launched and publicly anybody can access. For example, we want to listen international radio stations. We want to listen some radio signals, radio transmissions. So we can use these web-based SDR, that is software defined radio. And you can see I'm using this portal KiwiSDR.com, and currently it is around 7:33 p.m. India evening, and at this particular time many shortwave transmissions are active. So we will see those shortwave transmissions, and with these shortwave transmissions we will be able to link to foreign or international radio stations. Okay, even many am channels, am stations can be linked. So I'm clicking on this particular platform, so you can see that this one. So the markers which are green, these are publicly accessible, and there is no legal issue. Okay, however you can see that so many other colors available in markers like yellow, gray. In these there are certain restrictions. So I want to see some particular station, so you can see this is Russia. If I want to link to Russia, so you can see 1.7 to 7.9 megahertz. This one Poland, and this one is Netherlands. Now I want to link to Netherlands and or Poland. So this one is Poland. Okay, so I'm connecting to this link and start audio, and you will see the what. Now we will see on different bands. Okay, so this waterfall you can see. Okay, in multiple bands we will be able to check. So you can see that if I want to connect to other station, for example this for Russia, and this one Poland, this one is Netherlands. Okay, to Netherlands I want to connect, and here this is spectrum V. Myanmar. So in different bands we will be able to check. So you can see that we are connected to a station.
last year at a hospital, and there were some patients that were a part of that.
So you can see that we are connected to different radio stations, radio transmitters.
To lift somebody that maybe was feeling a little sad.
So in this way, we will be able to connect with any location in the globe connected to radio.
And spontaneous.
So we are working with radio waves currently.
That being captured on someone's phone, that was pretty special. But I think there's been a lot. We just keep learning.
So you can explore this platform. Thanks to all of you.